Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Amazon Ads AI automation for creative optimization step by step clearly. To install Amazon Ads AI automation for creative optimization, start by logging into your Amazon Ads account. Navigate to the dashboard where you manage your advertising campaigns. Locate the Campaign Managers section in the menu. Click on Create Campaign to begin the process. Select the campaign type that best suits your advertising goals. After choosing the campaign type, you'll reach the campaign settings page. Here, provide a name for your campaign to help identify it later. Set your daily budget and bidding options according to your preferences. Once the initial settings are complete, scroll down to the Creative section. In the Creative section, look for the option labeled AI Automation. Select this option to enable AI-driven creative optimization for your campaign. Then, you will see various creative assets that your campaign will utilize. Upload new creative assets or select existing ones from your library. Ensure that your assets meet Amazon's advertising specifications for best results. Once your creative assets are chosen, review the settings for AI automation. Adjust any parameters, such as target audience, if necessary. Confirm the inclusion of AI optimization features to enhance your creative performance. After finalizing your settings, click on the Launch Campaign button. Your campaign is now set up with Amazon Ads AI automation for creative optimization. Monitor your campaign performance regularly through the Analytics dashboard. Make adjustments as needed to maximize your results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.